Are there quiet places to rest in Soho? Imagine wandering through the lively streets of Soho, filled with shops, galleries, and street performers. Even in this energetic neighborhood, there are spots where you can find peace and quiet. One such place is the Dream House, an art installation created by La Monte Young and Marian Zazila. It offers a calming environment with soft lighting, gentle incense, and a continuous humming sound that creates a soothing white noise. This space is designed for relaxation and contemplation, making it a rare, peaceful retreat amid the busy streets. Another quiet spot is Spring Street Park, a small green oasis at the edge of Soho. Redesigned in 2017, it now features over 40 new trees, providing shade and a natural atmosphere. The park's triangular shape and lush greenery make it a perfect place to sit down, take a break, and enjoy some calm away from the crowds. It's a modest but welcoming spot for rest during a busy day of shopping or gallery hopping. While Soho is famous for its vibrant shopping scene and art galleries, these quiet corners offer a chance to pause and recharge. Visitors often find that stopping into small cafes and independent eateries can also provide a peaceful moment. Many of these cafes are less crowded than the main shopping streets, offering a cozy environment to relax with a coffee or snack. From the perspective of the state of New York, neighborhoods like Soho show how the city balances lively activity with pockets of tranquility. The city supports maintaining these quiet spaces so residents and visitors can enjoy moments of calm amid the energetic urban environment. Whether you're seeking a peaceful place to rest or just a quiet corner to gather your thoughts, Soho has options that fit right into its dynamic character.